Aurora Innovation Inc. AUR stock is on the move in this session of the 4th of February 2022. So you can see here it is up at $5.79, a gain of 22.15%. It has been strongly bullish from the get-go. It has been on the move, and today you may have already known, but we had just found out that today that Amazon actually owns 5%, a 5% stake in this company. So yes, if Amazon is there, maybe there's something they're doing. There's something really interesting they're doing that Amazon is keen on getting a slice of it. Okay, so let's see what the details are. So we can see it has $5.3 billion in market cap. So yes, and of the last 1 month, the underlying trend has been a bearish one. Let's look at the 1-year chart and see what's going on there for Aurora Innovation Tech. It's a small cap, okay, and it's a bearish one. The underlying trend, I think, is a bearish one, even though it hasn't been trading for a long time. For about 7 months now. That's how long it has been trading. And yesterday, rather 2 days ago, Wednesday, it filed a disclosure. Okay, yes, you can see that. That's the disclosure concerning Amazon. Let's look at it. And see what they're saying there. I think maybe Amazon is. Let's see. What is he saying there? Sole voting power is 35.239 million shares. Name of issuer, Aurora Innovation Inc. Okay, what is it saying up here? Aurora Innovation Inc. Name of issuer. Okay, schedule 13G, Class A common stock, par value of 0.000001 per share. Okay. Okay, reporting persons, Amazon.com Inc. is. Okay, so number of shares beneficially owned by each reporting person. Okay, so Amazon owns 35.239 million shares of the company. So that's what it's reporting. You can see that 5.2 million, so 5.2%. Okay, of the float. I believe that's the float. That's Amazon's address. You can see that ownership. Okay. Percentage 5.2, number of shares as to which the person has, sole power to vote or direct the vote of 35,239,761, shared power to vote or direct vote 0. Okay, so that's the disclosure. That's a confirmation of that fact. Outside that, there isn't any other news out there concerning the stock. So the stock is in the move right now, and let's get. You see that there isn't any news at the moment. And then here we have 3.53 million shares have crossed the tape. It's also optionable. Penny still relatively penny-ish. Okay, before now it was a penny stock. So technically, from anything below $5 is penny. So you could still call it the penny stock. So it's optionable. Let's look at the options. Options grid. Not very much is going on here. Let's get the volumes. Top movers here. Okay, top movers. Okay, we have the August 18, 2022. Friday 18th of February 2022 $5 strike. Seen a lot of volumes. That is 233.33. Okay, top gainers, the same one as well. The 18th of February 2022 $5 calls also gained 233.33%. Yeah, so the stock is on the move. We haven't found any news out there. It's worth watching. We have a target of $6.07. Will Aurora get there? Well, That's our target. See what you make of it. Okay, and momentum is just quite strong at the moment. Strong enough, indicating it's overbought at the moment. So you can see the angle of attack it has had is such that it's likely to continue to extend, and let's see now. The last time it fell below all of its moving averages, apart from the longer one, the much lower one, that's the 200-minute moving average. Last time it was below that was not very long ago, about an hour ago. But outside that, it has continued to ensure. Okay, well, yeah, it has continued to. Okay, well, yes, there's one here, but all of these are, all of these ensure that it will continue to extend. Never really falling below those moving averages as such, because each time it gets support, it just re-emphasizes the bullishness, so it emboldens the machines and the traders alike. So the stock has just been extending. It's just got some momentum from somewhere, and has continued to extend. Let's see what happened in the previous sessions and see whether that is the case. Let's look at the 3-day chart and see what happened, whether the trend has been a bullish one, whether it began yesterday, the 3rd of February. I think so, it did. That's the case, yes. 350 it started during that session. 348, just a few minutes into the close of that session, the stock began to extend. Yes, and closed above its, where did it close? Yes, I think it closed above all of its moving averages at the close of the session of the okay, let's see. No, it's actually, yes, it closed above its 10 and 20-day moving averages on this 3-day chart. Yes, but when the market opened today, it spiked and continued to extend further. So those who got in early enough were fortunate. So we have a target of $6.07. That's our target. Aurora Innovation Tech has a shareholder in the form of Amazon. Amazon has a 5% stake. 5.2% stake in the company. 5.2% stake in Aurora. That's what Amazon has, and the stock is currently strongly bullish now as things stand right now. Momentum has ebbed. Yes, completely sold out. A buying opportunity again, a good buying opportunity for market participants. So Aurora is now at 5.77. Let's get the volumes so far. Let's get the volumes. Volume is 3.098 million shares. Let's see. And it is above average, 2.5 million. That's what is recorded there, but it has since crossed out. It's now at 3.1 million shares. So down here the readout is saying the momentum is improving. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors begin to purchase AUR shares. Today's the last 10 days have seen significant volume in AUR shares, with average daily volume above the average for the last year. Today's volume is no exception, with 3.1 million shares having been traded already. The unbalanced volume indicator shows that a longer term accumulation has given way to near-term selling pressure by traders. Okay, near-term selling pressure by traders. Okay, maybe this 22% hasn't really reflected on what's going on there. Okay, because we're not seeing selling pressure, we're seeing more of a buying pressure. So AUR up at 5.77, a gain of 21.73. We have a target of $6.07. Can it get there? There's no guarantee. See what you make of AUR stock. and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.